Hello and thank you for joining me for another lesson. I have put together for you a step-by-step guide on how to start an active lifestyle. We're going to use the same framework inspired from Chip and Dan Heath from their book Switch that we have used in the diet lesson. And again, they suggest a three-part strategy addressing the rider, the elephant, and the path. Direct the rider. Number one, point to the destination. We know physical activity has many benefits, but how would you like exercise to help you in your day-to-day life? Think about your current situation. What change will have the most impact on your life? Would you like to have more energy so you can spend quality time with your family and friends and do fun activities together? Would you like to have more strength so you can be more independent? Would you like to have a healthy weight? Would you like to improve your cardiovascular condition? Would you like to improve your insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels? Would you like to overcome stress and anxiety? Would you like to sleep better? Concentrate only on one of your most pressing issues. Surely, once you start being more active, you will see other benefits as well. Number two, script the critical moves. In order to reach your destination, what specific behaviors you need to adopt? As we saw earlier, physical activity can be anything from gardening, house cleaning, swimming, dancing, walking, going to the gym. To keep things simple, we're going to pick walking as a form of exercise because it is one thing that everybody can do it and it doesn't cost anything. If walking is your only form of exercise, aim to get at least 10,000 steps a day or roughly 5 miles to reap the most benefits. Now, in terms of specific behaviors, ask yourself this. What is my current fitness level? If you only get up from the bed to move to the sofa and turn on the TV, start with baby steps like 1,000 steps or 2,000 steps a day and increase gradually. Do I have comfortable clothes and shoes for a long walk? If not, treat yourself with some new clothes and walking shoes. Where do I want to walk? Maybe you like taking the dog for a walk. Maybe you enjoy nature walks, or you enjoy walking in the park close to your house. Maybe you like hiking. Maybe you like window shopping. Choosing a location that you like will make the walk more enjoyable. When do I want to do my walks? When I pick and drop my kids to school. When I go to buy milk at the store. When I go to and from work. In your lunch break, maybe you can take a walk in the park. When I come home from work, I will take a walk around the neighborhood. Try to incorporate some of your exercises with your regular daily activities. This way, you shoot two birds with one stone. And try to plan them ahead to increase your compliance. Knowing that you have to buy milk from the stores give you the perfect opportunity to add more steps to your daily total. Number three, follow the bright spots. Think about your favorite activity and how you can do more of it. You ever notice that when you go for a walk or a hike in nature, you walk more before you feel tired? The same goes for when you are exploring a new neighborhood or a new city or a new park. When you have a partner or a group of people that you can talk to, walking doesn't even feel like an effort. When you are listening to your favorite music, podcast, or audiobook, your mind is so distracted that again, walking doesn't feel like an effort. So try to replicate these situations with your favorite physical activity. Now let's motivate the elephant. Number one, find the feeling. When you imagine yourself having reached your chosen destination, maybe you wanted to have less stress and anxiety, maybe you wanted to have more energy, or you want to sleep better, whatever your destination was. How do you feel? Do you feel satisfied, accomplished, full of joy, full of hope, grateful? Do you feel like you can achieve bigger things? Concentrate on that feeling so you can draw power from it and keep yourself motivated. Visualize the destination all the time. Number 2, shrink the change. Reaching 10,000 steps every single day, it is a lot to start with. So start with something that you feel comfortable, like 1,000 or 2,000 steps a day. For any form of exercise you choose, start small. Running 1 mile, doing 5 push-ups, doing 5 crunches, dancing for a full 2 minutes, swimming 1 pool length, and so on. Number 3, grow your people or grow yourself. Don't limit yourself by your current capabilities or knowledge. Everything can be learned. Making mistakes is fine. They help you grow. The more you practice, the more proficient and competent you'll become. In exercise, your mindset is important. How you see yourself will determine the choices you make. Believing you are sedentary or lazy will only make things worse. If I believe I am lazy or sedentary, why should I do anything that involves any effort? I have no reason. Better I watch my favorite series on Netflix instead. Start seeing yourself as an active person. You might not be fit yet. You might still need to lose weight, but you surely are somebody who is relentless, who gives their best, somebody who is actively pursuing their goals, somebody who doesn't give up when things get hard. Seeing yourself as an active person will encourage you to make decisions that will reinforce your identity. Now let's shape the path. Number 1, tweak the environment. How can you change your environment so it encourages you to be more active? For example, prepare the clothes you're going to wear for your walk or run the night before and place them somewhere visible. Put your walking or running shoes by the front door so they are visible. If you use a backpack or a running belt to keep your phone or iPad and keys, prepare it the night before and put it somewhere visible. Place post-it notes with your goal on your bathroom mirror to act as a reminder. If you find that music motivates you to exercise, set up an alarm that automatically starts with your favorite jam. If you find that you walk more in nature, go in the closest park. Ask a friend to join you on your walk or to pick you up from home so you can go together. Ask your partner in advance to give you a nudge or a pep talk if you find it hard getting up and doing the exercises. Set reminders on your phone, and so on. Make things easier for yourself. Number 2, build habits. Build small habits that help you reach your destination faster. Have a predetermined action cue, like every morning when the alarm sounds, I will get up and do 5 push-ups. Build small habits that are incorporated into your existing routine. For example, every day I will walk to drop and pick up the children from school. After every meal, I will go for a little walk, or I will do the dishes and clean the kitchen. A little activity after the meal is a good way of burning a few more calories. If you can't walk to your job or other places you go to regularly, park as far as possible away so you can fit in a little walk. Number 3, rally the herd. What other people around you are doing? Do they have any good behaviors that you would like to copy? Maybe your neighbor is going for a walk or a jog every morning. Maybe your colleague from the office is doing stretches in his lunch break, or he is taking a walk, or he is taking the stairs. Maybe your partner is playing tennis on his Xbox with the Kinect. Maybe a friend goes to salsa lessons every week. If you can't see any good habits on the people around you, then you need to surround yourself with people that have already the habits that you want to have yourself. And this concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time.